Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. We're going to do a quick and easy dinosaur Easter bunny. So we're going to get our black marker and we're going to do a simple oval right here in the center. There's the oval. We're going to do two big bunny ears for our Easter bunny. One, two, and inside we like to do the kind of this upside down raindrop following the shape of the bunny ear. And let's do some big dinosaur paws right here. Big circle, kind of these rounded triangles for the dinosaur claws. This will be kind of a fun, cute little dinosaur for Easter. Some circles within the paws right here. And now let's connect the head to the foot. I'm gonna go right here, connect to the head, and then make a body, kind of this chubby little dinosaur that's sitting on the ground. And behind the dinosaur we'll have this tail. So let's start at the body right here and come up and down to the foot. And we'll draw a couple of spikes on the tail. And let's do the face now. Let's do kind of a happy, smiley face here. And a fun triangle spike for the nose. And we'll start right here for the mouth, and we'll go down to a point and up. We'll draw some fun teeth. Now, dinosaurs in my world have some spikes on the head, so let's draw some spikes. One big one, a little one, maybe a big one, and a little one. So big, these are soft little triangles. They don't have to be perfect. Let's draw little hands right here. And why not draw an Easter egg on each side of the foot? Okay, and I'm going to do a line behind those Easter eggs to show the ground. And that's basically our dinosaur Easter bunny. So let's color this guy and see how it turns out. Fast forward.